nonprofit is called the Madagascar Cooperative Foundation. We call it MCF for short. Love acronyms in the US, but basically we focus on poverty alleviation, and kind of how we talk about it is we say we take a holistic view to poverty. So our NGO, MCF, focuses on 10 different aspects that basically if you meet these 10 things in your life, you're out of poverty. One of them is learning basic nutrition. One of them is owning a house. One of them is establishing a savings account. Right now we have two main programs. One is square foot gardening. So since we do a lot of our work in the capital city of Madagascar, people don't have a lot of land to grow food on, and they don't have a lot of money to buy food in the first place. So this allows them to grow just on a square foot plot of land, 4x4. You can grow enough fruits and vegetables to feed an adult for up to a year. And then the other thing that we do right now is also microcredit loans. So the loans can be anywhere as small as $7.50 to up to $50, helping families or individuals, depending on who it is, basically pursue their financial goals. And kind of along with that, we actually teach business classes. So not just giving people money, but teaching them how to use it effectively. And just those basic things that seem really basic to us, but they've never really been exposed to, just to make sure, you know, if I'm running a business, I'm selling my product at more than what it costs for me to make it so I can make a profit, that kind of stuff. It's kind of interesting. A lot of times in nonprofit management, we were taught, you know, not to start your own nonprofit because chances are there's somebody out there already doing what you want to do, so it's kind of a waste of resources. But in the case of Madagascar, there's not many countries, number one, who pay attention to anything that goes on in Madagascar, and then number two, not a lot of NGOs that are doing work there. I'm doing the joint MPA-JD, so I didn't initially plan on coming to law school. I started over at the Marriott School doing my MPA, kind of focusing more on nonprofit stuff. And then that same, so as I mentioned, we had 10 goals. One of them was to own a home. And so we actually started a for-profit venture separate from our nonprofit. That was actually a for-profit company that actually builds affordable housing for people in Madagascar. And so as we're going through the process, just all the legal obstacles that we came up against kind of opened our eyes that, you know, we may have the necessary experience to do a lot of this stuff, but we didn't have a lot of experience that would be helpful. So kind of just, I think that's kind of what pushed me into doing law school. I never thought that I wanted to, but since I've been here, I've really, really enjoyed it, and it's been really useful.